Hello? No, we're ready. All right, just come up. All right, bye. Abraham's coming up. We don't have a video. Ideas? Real quick. You'll be here in like 5 minutes. All right, this is actually the closest we ever cut this. It is 11:20 on Thursday. We don't have tomorrow's video. I don't even have an idea. Like, not even remotely. I'm not going to lie. I dropped the ball on this one. That's on me.
That is facts. That's true.
Now, we're a team. So please help me, bro. Please. You guys got any ideas? Any ideas? Let's just go. Let's get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Anytime now. You know what? Have you guys heard of like that thing, ChatGPT? Why don't I ask it video ideas for this week?
Is that like a NFT or no?
An NFT?
Yeah. RFID?
No, bruh.
Wait, STD?
ChatGPT. It's like that.
PTSD.
It's like, what?
PTSD?
No, bruh.
Hellcat SRT?
No, bruh. Oh my God.
GPT? Is it GBT? Like
PT.
like the Great Britain
P like
currency?
penis. P.
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 GPT.
GPT.
Chad GPT?
Chat.
Is that Abraham's cousin?
Chat. CHAT.
Chat.
Chat.
So what does that do?
It's like an AI system that you can ask literally any question. Like, watch. Chat GPT. What is a viral
so hard?
I don't know.
video idea?
He's not gonna mess out that keyboard.
What'd you say?
He's not gonna mess out that keyboard.
What is a viral video idea for us to make about a millionaire who wants to entertain and teach his ways?
It's actually a really good idea. I think
that could do really well.
Oh, was that engineered by ChatGPT or what?
This whole thing was.
That game.
Yeah,
No. All right, Abraham. So today we are going to have you react and use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like an AI-generated system that you can literally ask anything and it gives you a human-like response. Like what you want to do this weekend with your family, ideas for your next YouTube video, analyzing and underwriting deals. College students have been like acing every single essay by just typing in the prompt the teacher sends them and then just copying and pasting his response. So what do you want to start off with?
Okay, so I'm going out of town this weekend. I want to know what the weather is going to be like in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
all of us.
Is that a we trip or a you trip?
That's a me trip.
Oh.
Me, my wife, and kids.
Yo.
Too many requests. That's the easiest question ever. Like,
Too many requests in one.
that was the first request. Check our live weather website or app. That's the easiest. How do I get my YouTube channel from 8,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers in the next 6 months? Damn, we're gonna have to get rid of Shema and John basically.
Growing a YouTube channel from 8,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months is a challenging goal, but it is possible with hard work, consistency, and effective strategies. 1. Define your target audience. 2. Produce high-quality content. Make sure your videos are visually appealing, well-edited, and provide value to your viewers. Upload videos regularly on a consistent schedule. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and participate in relevant online communities to reach new audiences. 8. Fire Shema and John. It seems like everything it said makes a lot of sense.
There's not much else you can add. Bro.
Yeah, right. So, I think it hit it on the head. Now, one thing cool about ChatGPT 2 is that it'll do like some creative sort of work for you. Let's say you have one of your businesses. Let's say like Bury the Hatchet, right? Write a ad for a business I own called Bury the Hatchet. So I'm gonna have like a voice actor actually narrate this, and we're gonna make it after Bury the Hatchet, and we're gonna play it right now.
Are you looking for a unique and exciting entertainment experience? Come to Bury the Hatchet, the premier axe throwing venue. Our safe and well-maintained facility is perfect for friends, family, and co-workers looking to try something new and have a blast. With expert instruction and friendly staff, even first-time throwers will be hitting the bullseye in no time. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion, hosting a team-building event, or just looking for a fun night out, Bury the Hatchet has you covered. Book your visit today and get ready to throw axes like a pro. For more information and to make your reservation, visit our website or give us a call. Don't miss out on the adrenaline-pumping fun of axe throwing at Bury the Hatchet.
It's actually really impressive. The thing that they came up with, they know everything about the axe throwing industry. Let's see how this commercial does after we make it.
So we asked it about, YouTube, which we know relatively well, we do it, but let's talk about maybe business, right? So maybe let's ask it a question, what's the easiest way to become a millionaire, right? And let's see its response and let's see your perspective on it, all right?
Okay.
So becoming a millionaire is a long-term goal that requires discipline, hard work, and smart financial planning. There's no single easy way to become a millionaire, but there are steps that can increase your chances of reaching that goal. 1. Start saving and investing early. 2. Live below your means. Create a budget that helps you track your spending and make informed financial decisions. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to maximize your return and reduce risk. Consider taking on additional work, starting a side business, or seeking promotions and raises to increase your income. Be patient and focus on making consistent progress towards your goals.
It doesn't say anything about real estate whatsoever.
I know, which is weird.
And very little about business. It talks more about bonds and stocks, which that's not how people really become millionaires.
Right.
Let's change it up. Let's ask them how to become a billionaire, because millionaire is easy. Let's see a billionaire. That's hard. There's only like 700 billionaires in the United States.
Sir.
Oh, you know what? I was curious to see if it was going to have a similar answer or a different answer.
Yeah.
And it's actually a different answer, which is kind of cool.
Yep. Becoming a billionaire is a rare and challenging goal, but it is possible with the right combination of hard work, smart investment, and innovative thinking. 1. Start early. 2. Develop a unique skill set. 3. Be entrepreneurial. Consider starting your own business, investing in startups, or creating new products and services that solve real-world problems. 4. Build a strong network. 5. Take calculated risks. 6. Be disciplined and focused. Remember, becoming a billionaire is a difficult goal that requires a combination of luck, hard work, and smart investments. Focus on developing your skill, building a strong network, and taking calculated risks. And you may increase your chances of reaching billionaires.
You know what's really cool? So at the end it says combination of luck. I've always said that, a lot of my success was because of luck.
How do I get lucky?
Let's ask GPT. Let's ask them.
How do I get lucky? Well, luck can sometimes seem random. There are things you can do to increase your chances of having good luck. Remember, luck is often a combination of preparation, hard work, and a positive attitude. Focus on these things and you may increase your chances of having good luck.
This is so dead on because every single thing that it said increases your chances of getting lucky. Obviously, there are people that don't do any of this stuff and get lucky, but the more of this stuff you do, the more likely you're going to get lucky.
100%. Yeah, no, I completely agree. Now let's get to a real hard-hitting question. Are flip-flops the best footwear? Flip-flops can be a comfortable and convenient choice of footwear for some activities, such as casual wear or beach trips.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all it said. Thinking about asking it to create you a rap song that we can have someone rap for you. All right. So let's see what it comes up with. Create a rap song about a millionaire named Abraham who has a nickname.
Listen up, y'all, I got a story to tell about this rich dude who wealth is well. His name is Abraham, great but no, they call him the X. He got the money, power, respect, and some mad tax, yo. He's a millionaire and he be rolling in the dough with a smile on his face and his face a glow. Hey yo, Abraham Gray, that's Abraham Gray. Abraham Gray, yo, that's Abraham Gray. Yo, Abraham Gray, the millionaire with the name the X. He got style, he got class, and he got the cash. He's the king of business, making moves with ease. He's got the game on lock, and he got what you need.
So I have ChatGPT write an outro to this video.
Oh, 100%.
And there you have it, folks. Our millionaire's first experience with ChatGPT. It's amazing to see how technology has evolved and made our lives easier. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And who knows, maybe our millionaire will be back for another AI adventure. Until next time, peace out. Yeah, that's pretty shitty. That was a pretty shitty outro. I'll say that. That was the weakest answer we got from ChatGPT all day.
Abraham Gray, the millionaire with the neck, the axe. He got style, he got class, and he got the cash. He's the king of business, making moves with ease. He's got the game on lock, and